Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of paused Microsoft updates on your Windows 11 PC. So let's get started right away. Now, recently, Microsoft has paused Windows 11 24H2 updates for many PCs due to various reported issues. So if your PC is among them, then you might notice that your updates have not been arriving for a while. In order to fix this issue, simply click on the search box, type in updates, and you should find the check for updates option. Go ahead and click on it, and you will now see that your updates are paused. You can simply click on resume updates, and this will now check for the latest updates right away. Now, if you have the first option enabled, which says to get the latest updates as soon as they're available, then you might want to turn this off if it is turned on within your device, as this will provide your PC with the beta updates as well, without fixes and improvements, which may contain various bugs. So make sure that the latest updates are turned off so that you will only receive the tested and fixed updates, which tend to be more stable and will not crash or freeze your PC. And there you have it. That is how you can fix the updates paused issue on your Windows 11 PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.